Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this face text portrait effect, especially for hairdressers, hairstylists and hair dyes products. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I just add a new page. I just using the same 180 by 130, 150 pixels Instagram posts Canva. So first thing what I need to find a image what I would like to use. I just have a couple of them in the uploads. I will use this blonde again, I think. That's it good. The easiest way, if you have any other size of image, just insert to the Canva, play around the picture where you would like to have it, then just download it in the best quality, upload again, and you already have a image which is perfectly fit on the Canva. This will really help when we are working with the frames. So now I added this image. Next thing, elements, just scrolling down, I have to find the frames, scrolling down to the letters, B, L, O, N, and D. Okay, I have the letters here. Start with a B. Try to find a size where all of the letters are fit. This will be big, and I just made a bit smaller now. And these lines are very helpful in the Canva, as I can see where is the perfect size and the size are matching. Now I need the O. As you can see, the left side matching the left side of the letters, and now it's perfectly matched. Same with the N. And the D. Moving down, it looks nice. Just moving the image to the other side of the Canva for a bit, selecting all the text, increasing the size a bit, and holding the right side of the text and just stretching a bit. And now group it. Just group it for going for positions and set it to the middle. And now I can ungroup it. That's important to group them. In this case, that's all the 5 letters will be one object. And if it's not grouped, like this, and I click on the middle, all the letters is moving to the middle. But if I group them, all these letters, you can see there's 5 separate letters. Now it's one object, and in this case, all these 5 letters became one object. Then the Canva, when I put into the center, the Canva putting the object to the center, not the letters. Now I'm just still thinking, holding the control button, then I can move it freely. Yeah, I think is it in the right position? Yeah, okay, it's the right position. I can leave it like this. So the next thing what I will need to do, click on the first letter, border style, and just give them a like 8, 10, depends on the size and you need. For me, it's 8 is perfect. Border color change to white. Next letter, border style, 8, border color white. Same for the third one, color white, and for the N also, plus the last letter, the D, 8, white. So I uploaded this image. As you can see, before that was a different resolution. I just shrink a bit, zoom it, the image, and download it again to match better with my requirements. And the good thing, if I download the same if I download the image, it's a full frame, I do not have to play with the size of the image when I play with them in the frames. I will show you just in a second. So I double click on that image, I start to zooming it, just fit to the one of the corner, and it's done. Second one also, moving to the top, to the left, and now I just have to adjust the size to the full frame. And in this case, all these images will be the same size. I do not have to play with to matching the size, and it's automatically perfect. Now just the last two. Adjust to the corner, also increasing the size, moving to the left top corner, and now it's perfectly match all the images in the frames, and that looks like it's really one image. And to get this nice effect, we just need to do only one thing. Click on the image, hold the left side, and just crop the image. In this case, the left side will be white due to we do not use any background color. Of course, we can change it to any, but in this case, better to use the frames, the border for the letters with a different color. Like if we have it pink, we just have to create it pink. It's much more unique, or how can I say so? So if I just change it to pink, now it's not that nice with this white letters. But if I change it to pink, all of them, just for an example, this one looks much better, I think, with the white. Oh, something wrong with this image in the top. I don't know why they have this small. Okay, now we do not have it anymore. The image was not 100% fit the Canva, but actually with this pink is also looking very nice. The only thing is, if we change the background color, we also have to change the border of the letters, and we can get it with any color what we need. So I think this technique is pretty easy and actually pretty amazing. You can use it for any other niches. I just show you one example for the hair dyes products or hairdressers, stylists. but you can do it with any other niches if you would like to do it. And as you can see, I use different colors, different setups. Like this, here is a shorter word, and in this case with a bigger letters, and I keep some space between the letters. And with a bit longer word, then might be the best thing if you are just decrease this space. Actually, there is 0 space between the letters. Like this pink, I did the same, but a bit bigger letters. Sorry, but like for the purple, where the letter is pretty long, it's really useful to keep it like this without any space. And as you can see, we can even change the background color to any, but in this case the border of the letters is also has to be changed to the same color. But now this tutorial is really going to end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find lots of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you are interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.